Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout. Today we're talking about a machine that blends cruiser comfort with sporty performance, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S. If you've been searching for a middleweight cruiser that stands out in both looks and riding experience, this bike might be exactly what you're looking for. At first glance, the 2025 Vulcan S retains its muscular styling and aggressive stance, but it gets a few subtle updates that make it even more appealing. Kawasaki hasn't radically changed the formula, and that's a good thing because the Vulcan S has always had a solid fan base thanks to its unique identity in the cruiser segment. Let's start with the heart of the Vulcan S, the engine. It's powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine that's liquid-cooled and fuel-injected. This engine is derived from the Ninja 650, so you can expect a smooth power delivery and a bit of sportiness when you twist the throttle. It produces around 61 horsepower and 63 Nm of torque, which is more than enough for city cruising, weekend rides, and even highway touring. What makes the Vulcan S really stand out is how rider-friendly it is. Kawasaki offers its exclusive Ergo-Fit system, allowing riders to adjust the footpeg positions, seat, and handlebar setups to match their height and riding preference. Whether you're short, tall, or somewhere in between, the Vulcan S can be tailored to fit you like a glove. This is a game changer for new riders and shorter riders who often struggle with the bulky size of traditional cruisers. In terms of design, the 2025 Vulcan S looks sleek and modern. The low-slung profile, sculpted fuel tank, and exposed frame give it a muscular yet minimal look. It still carries that unmistakable Kawasaki DNA with its edgy styling and sharp angles. The LED headlamp and updated LED taillight enhance visibility and bring a more premium feel to the overall look. The suspension setup includes a 41mm telescopic front fork and an offset rear monoshock with adjustable preload. This setup provides a good balance between comfort and handling. Whether you're riding solo or with a pillion, the Vulcan S handles uneven roads and curves confidently. It's not a sports bike, but it doesn't feel lazy either. It finds a nice balance between relaxed cruising and agile cornering. Braking duties are handled by a 300mm front disc and a 250mm rear disc, both assisted by dual-channel ABS. The braking performance is predictable and reassuring, especially for newer riders. The tires, 120mm at the front and 160mm at the rear, provide solid grip and stability, and they're mounted on stylish 18-inch and 17-inch cast wheels, respectively. Now let's talk about comfort, which is a big part of any cruiser's appeal. The seat height is just 705mm, making it very accessible. The seat itself is well padded and shaped to offer support over long distances. The riding posture is upright with slightly forward-set foot pegs, which keeps things relaxed but still gives you control. The wide handlebars give a confident grip and contribute to the bike's easy maneuverability in traffic. The instrument cluster is semi-digital, combining an analog tachometer with a digital LCD that shows speed, fuel gauge, gear position, and other essential information. It's functional, easy to read, and suits the bike's overall aesthetic. One thing many riders appreciate is the Vulcan's minimalistic and uncluttered layout. Everything is where it should be without feeling overwhelming. As for pricing, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S is priced at around $7,199 in the US market, which translates to approximately R7.2 lakhs, ex-showroom in India. The price may vary depending on location and accessories, but it still offers a great value for riders looking for a premium cruiser experience without breaking the bank. Kawasaki also offers several genuine accessories like saddlebags, windscreens, and backrests to further customize the Vulcan S to your touring needs. So, who is this bike for? If you're a new rider looking for your first big bike, or an experienced rider wanting a no-nonsense cruiser that's comfortable, customizable, and has just the right amount of performance, the Vulcan S ticks all the boxes. It's approachable, versatile, and carries Kawasaki's reliable engineering in every nut and bolt. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews, comparisons, and motorcycle content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Bike Scout for all the latest updates. Ride safe and see you in the next one.